The Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then of course a saw. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic Pocket Saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic Pocket Saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic Pocket Saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic Pocket Saw. It's just raw, compact power.
This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
Today I'm going to review the SOG F10. It's a folding saw. It comes with a nylon sheath. What's handy about folding saws, of course, is that they're compact, easy to carry, and then when you need it, you get this good-sized saw that can really do some damage. The blade here is hardened tempered steel. And you can see the teeth, very, very sharp teeth. Overall length is almost 15 inches. The blade's about 8 1/4. And, 7.5 inch blade, right? You see the locking notch right there. Locks in the open position. It also locks in the closed position. That's a nice advantage. You just press the button right there to close it. There's steel liners in the handle as well, so when it goes into the handle, it is protected by steel on both sides. And then the handle itself is a Kraton material. It's kind of a rubberized material that's got a good feel to it. Your hand's not going to slip. And these saws come in handy for a variety of things. You know, if you're an archery guy, you need to clear out your shooting lanes. If you're a camper or a hunter, any woodsman would need a saw. Great product from SAW, carries a lifetime warranty.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.